Honestly, no.
No.
I don't know. No.
Fair trade is something I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
We first went to Starbucks where we interviewed a part-time worker who was nice enough to explain to us how fair trade is incorporated in Starbucks. We were surprised because we thought since she was just a part-time worker, she wouldn't know about it. We also found pamphlets about how Starbucks is part of the fair trade program. Starbucks tries to help the environment not only through fair trade, but by using mugs and selling tumblers.
Next, we went to a cafe and interviewed the manager who wanted to remain anonymous. We asked him about how the cafe participates in preserving the environment. Like Starbucks, they encourage the use of mugs and cups that can be reused. Although they are not a part of the Fair Trade program, the manager mentioned how Korea is gradually becoming influenced by the Fair Trade program and is therefore spreading throughout the country. We also took action by posting posters.
Hello. Hello. Okay, so basically from this project, we learned how privately owned cafes and franchise cafes like Starbucks have different points of views about fair trade. So basically, Starbucks, we were surprised that they use fair trade and most of their products are fair trade products. While the privately owned cafe, they didn't have any fair trade products, but the manager explained how fair trade is becoming more of an influential factor in Korea.
And we also learned that a lot of people actually don't know what fair trade really is, because when we interviewed our peers, like only 2 out of 9 I think knew about like what fair trade was. And so with this project, our primary goal was to like spread awareness about fair trade and like the fair trade products, and by like posting the posters around some of the places and like going to like interviews, we were able to spread a lot of awareness, I would hope.
And the reason why we chose fair trade of coffee and chocolate is because it's the most accessible product to students or elders in Korea. So
yes, I bet like we all drank a cup of coffee this morning too,
so yeah, that's what we learned. And from this project, hopefully we raised awareness about this issue.